8 tips to stop liking your crush. Attractiveness, an enigmatic concept that has captivated human minds for centuries, remains an intriguing subject of study in psychology. What makes one person irresistibly attractive to another? Is it their physical appearance, their personality, or perhaps a combination of various factors? In this comprehensive exploration, we delve into the world of attractiveness, uncovering the 8 qualities that have been scientifically proven to make people undeniably appealing. From confidence and kindness to intelligence and humor, we will navigate the intricate landscape of attraction and shed light on the psychological mechanisms that drive our preferences. Now, let's explore each of these qualities in detail to understand their impact on our allure. The power of confidence. Confidence, often heralded as the ultimate allure, plays a central role in defining one's attractiveness. Extensive scientific research consistently underscores that individuals radiating confidence tend to be universally perceived as more attractive. Remarkably, this beguiling trait transcends the realms of extroversion and introversion. Authentic confidence is rooted in a profound self-awareness, a steadfast belief in personal strengths, and an unapologetic celebration of individuality. It wields an irresistible magnetic force, banishing the shadows of self-doubt and irresistibly drawing others into its orbit. The intricate psychology behind confidence unveils a captivating narrative of self-assurance and its profound influence on our perception of attractiveness. It is a testament to the age-old adage that true beauty emanates from within, and in the realm of attractiveness, confidence reigns supreme. From the magnetic charm of confidence, let's shift our focus to another crucial factor in attractiveness: availability. 2. The allure of availability. Contrary to the traditional notion that playing hard to get enhances one's allure, contemporary research illuminates the significance of availability in forging deeper connections. Emotional and physical accessibility emerges as a cornerstone in nurturing trust and fostering profound relationships. As one becomes more responsive, attentive, and reliable, their allure remarkably ascends. In this exploration, we unveil the profound importance of being emotionally present and consistently dependable in cultivating meaningful bonds. Our journey will traverse the compelling landscape of emotional availability, shedding light on its transformative impact on attraction dynamics. This revelation challenges the antiquated belief that distance heightens desirability, championing instead the notion that being emotionally and physically available is a potent catalyst for drawing people closer and nurturing enduring connections. Having explored the importance of availability, let's now turn our attention to the captivating trait of embracing uniqueness. 3. Embracing uniqueness. Within the expansive canvas of humanity, each of us is a unique and unparalleled masterpiece. Embracing our individuality, whether it manifests in our appearance, life experiences, ideas, or idiosyncrasies, serves as a compass guiding us to kindred spirits. In a world teeming with billions of individuals, our distinctiveness becomes our most alluring asset, setting us apart and igniting curiosity. Yet, societal pressures, like a stifling cloak, often coerce individuals into concealing their authenticity to conform. However, the path to forging profound connections and enhancing our allure lies in celebrating what makes us extraordinary. By rejoicing in our idiosyncrasies and boldly showcasing our individuality, we swing open the doors to meaningful relationships with those who treasure our uniqueness. This journey unveils the profound significance of embracing our individuality, unraveling the captivating narrative of how it not only enriches our own lives but also elevates our attractiveness in the eyes of others. It is a testament to the irreplaceable value of being true to oneself in a world that often seeks conformity. Now, let's transition to kindness, a universally admired quality that holds a special place in the realm of attractiveness. 4. The appeal of kindness. Kindness, a universally cherished attribute, stands as a cornerstone of enchantment. Research has unfailingly illuminated the magnetic pull of individuals who radiate kindness, empathy, and compassion. It is an inherent human inclination to gravitate toward those who exude benevolence. At the heart of our deepest desires lies the yearning to be treated with the same warmth and consideration that we extend to others. In our journey, we shall embark on a voyage into the very essence of kindness, exploring the profound science underpinning its allure. We shall unravel the intricate threads that weave together kindness, attraction, and the formation of enduring connections. This exploration will lay bare the transformative influence of acts of kindness, not merely in elevating the human spirit but also in amplifying one's charm in the eyes of others. Kindness, a quality that transcends cultural boundaries and speaks to the core of our humanity, stands as a testament to the irreplaceable role it plays in shaping the mosaic of our relationships and the magnetic pull it exerts in the complex tapestry of human attraction. Having discussed the magnetic pull of kindness, let's venture into the realm of intelligence and its role in enhancing our allure. The magnetism of intelligence. Intelligence exerts an undeniable magnetic pull, serving as a gateway to riveting dialogues, profound revelations, and a novel lens through which we perceive the world. Recent psychological investigations unveil an intriguing facet of intelligence. There exists an optimal threshold that heightens an individual's allure. People are naturally drawn to those they perceive as more intelligent than themselves, as it promises engaging interactions and expanded horizons. However, the allure of intelligence is a delicate dance, not to be taken to extremes. Our exploration ventures into the nuanced interplay between intelligence and approachability. We will unveil the captivating science behind how intelligence enhances one's charm while navigating the fine line between captivating and intimidating. In this journey, we will come to appreciate the magnetic allure of intellect, understanding how it enriches our social dynamics and enriches the tapestry of human attraction. From the allure of intelligence, let's dive into the enchantment of passion and how it captivates those around us. 6. The enchantment of passion. Passion, with its contagious fervor and unwavering commitment to pursuing distinct aspirations, possesses a mesmerizing allure that leaves an indelible mark on those fortunate enough to encounter it. The passionate souls among us are driven by an inner fire, resolute in their pursuit of dreams and the realization of profound interests that resonate with the very core of their being. Their magnetic energy transcends the ordinary, igniting a spark within all who are drawn into their orbit. This enigmatic force of passion not only propels individuals towards greatness but also profoundly impacts the dynamics of relationships. It fosters a profound sense of connection, as the shared enthusiasm and mutual support between passionate souls create a powerful bond that transcends the mundane. This magnetic pull not only inspires personal growth but also kindles the flames of attraction, drawing others toward the captivating world of passion and all its inspiring possibilities. In its radiant light, we discover the infinite potential to become the best versions of ourselves, and therein lies the enchanting essence of passion's transformative power. As we've explored the power of passion, let's shift our focus to another enchanting quality, a good sense of humor. 7. The magic of a sense of humor. Extensive research has unveiled the captivating role of humor as a compelling element in the complex concoction of attraction. A finely tuned sense of humor possesses the remarkable ability to do more than just evoke laughter. It serves as a beacon of intelligence, quick-wittedness, and imaginative brilliance. In the intricate tapestry of human connections, humor emerges as an indispensable thread, weaving its magic seamlessly across all gender orientations. In the realm of romantic interactions, humor transcends boundaries and resonates universally. Women are naturally drawn to men who possess the gift of laughter-inducing charm, recognizing the inherent cleverness and wit that accompany it. Simultaneously, men hold in high regard the playful and good-humored disposition of women. Unraveling the science behind laughter, we uncover its profound effects on the bonds we forge with others. humor emerges as a potent catalyst for fostering connections, and its transformative power in enhancing one's allure becomes abundantly clear. Through the prism of humor, we will explore the alchemy that elevates one's attractiveness, making it an integral ingredient in the delightful recipe of human attraction. Concluding our exploration of the qualities that make people attractive, let's examine the influence of demeanor and its significance in forming impressions. 8. The influence of demeanor. Although physical appearance frequently assumes the role of the primary determinant of attractiveness, it is essential to acknowledge that one's demeanor wields an equally influential force in shaping perceptions. Intriguing research has illuminated the fact that a mere half-minute, a brief 30 seconds, is all it takes to form an initial impression of an individual, and it is within this fleeting time frame that demeanor exerts its undeniable influence. The manner in which we dress, carry ourselves, and engage with others holds the power to either fortify or shatter the impression we etch into the minds of those we encounter. In our exploration, we will delve into the profound significance of demeanor as a cornerstone of attractiveness. We shall unravel the art of making a strikingly positive first impression, unveiling the intricate nuances of body language that beckon people toward us. Beyond the surface, we will discover how demeanor, with its multifaceted facets, shapes the intricate tapestry of human interactions, offering a compelling insight into the captivating world of attraction and its multifaceted dynamics. In the labyrinth of human attraction, these 8 qualities shine as beacons of desirability. Confidence, availability, uniqueness, kindness, intelligence, passion, humor, and demeanor collectively mold the magnetic aura that draws people towards us. While personal preferences and cultural variations may influence the extent to which these qualities resonate with individuals, their fundamental appeal remains undeniable. Understanding the science behind attractiveness equips us with valuable insights into human behavior and relationships. As we navigate the complex world of social connections, these qualities serve as our compass, guiding us towards building meaningful and fulfilling bonds with others. Embracing and enhancing these qualities not only enriches our personal lives but also deepens our understanding of the intricate tapestry of human attraction. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with all the exciting content coming your way.